For example, if you're, I don't know, picking it, let's say you're selling roses. Well, you could put that term up there, roses, and it will come up with the top trends with that search term over a given period for a certain demographic. And you could create a blog post or a news article on your website that incorporates those keywords and things that people are searching for. And that's going to help increase your ranking in the search results, and it's going to drive more people to your website.
Yeah. Yeah. For example, I searched for roses and I narrowed it down to United States past 7 days. And I left it open as all categories, but it starts showing me interest by subregion. And I can see that the state of Oregon has the highest interest in roses right now. So
interesting.
Let's narrow it down to Oregon. Maybe that's where I am. And I could narrow it down to, Portland or Eugene and get in there. And of course, one of the things I see on there is the Guns N' Roses set list. And yep. So you get to filter through. I guess Guns N' Roses maybe played in Portland recently, and
probably,
so that's why that's coming up. So you need to narrow these things down. Maybe I need to look for roses, flowers, and narrow it down that way. And then you start to get an idea of what people are looking for. And at that point, you say, okay, so I looked at roses, flowers across the United States and over the last week. And the query, do roses need full sun, is up 450%. That means that compared to the week prior, 450% as many people are looking for the answer to that question. And so you could write a blog post answering, do roses need full sun? Literally.
That could be the title.
That should be the title.
Post.
That's
yes,
right.
Yes. Yeah. And that keyword phrase should be throughout your article.
That's right.
And it's going to help get, more people, your results are going to come up when people search for that, and they're going to come, and also helps you become an expert at that.